there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you how you can download and sign up for the IRL app. If you're looking for a great platform to stay connected with your friends and socialize, then IRL is the app for you. You can use this app to create groups, send messages, use the GIF function, polls, and much more. So, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can download and sign up for your IRL account. Firstly, head over to your App Store and type in IRL app in the search bar. Select the IRL app and tap on Get to download the app. Once the app has downloaded, tap on Open and wait for the app to process. Now, you'll land on an interface that will give you instructions on how to sign up. Since we're signing up for an account, tap on Get Started. You can either enter your phone number by selecting your country or your email address. I'm going to enter my phone number for this tutorial, but you can choose to enter your email if that's more convenient. After you've entered your information, tap on the arrow button. You'll receive a PIN on your email address, which you'll need to verify your account. Check your email for the PIN and copy it to your clipboard. Now, head back to the app and paste the code in the designated section. Once you've verified your account, you'll be directed to another interface where you'll have to choose your birth date. Select your birth date and tap on the arrow button again. Enter your full name and tap on the arrow button once more. You can now choose a username for yourself. You can either leave the suggested username or tap on the arrow and create a username of your own. You can also add a profile picture by tapping on the plus icon. Once you've completed these steps, tap on the arrow again. The app will ask for permission to access your contact notifications. Make sure to allow permission as needed. After granting permission, tap on the arrow button again. Now, you can start creating a group and chat with your friends. Create a group by tapping on the plus icon and plan events with your friends. You can add your friends to the group by tapping on the arrow button, and once you're done, you'll be logged into your account. Congratulations, your IRL account sign-up is complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your own IRL account. Let us know in the comments if you found this helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to Genie, and hit the bell notification so that you're reminded each time we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around next time.